I am Pahal from Ananiketan Maninagar School and my topic is excretory system and its dysfunctions. The nephron forms urine and the urine enters into the urinary bladder through ureter, and when this urinary bladder is full it gives a sensation to our brain, so our urethral sphincter opens and we void urine. Nephron works on some mechanisms like filtration, diffusion and reabsorption. So now I am going to show you the model of nephron. Nephron has glomeruli, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. Glomeruli has Bowman capsules through which the blood capillary enters into the afferent or efferent artery. Glomeruli act as a strainers. Only small particles like glucose, ammonia, iron and other waste materials enter into the glomeruli, and the other big particles like WBC, RBC and protein remains in the blood stream. Kidney has 1 million nephrons and they filtrate 150 liters of blood per day, out of which only 1% forms urine and the other 99% gets reabsorbed into the blood vessel. The filtrate reaches to the proximal convoluted tubule. Here the osmotic pressure is low in the blood stream, so the water and sodium gets reabsorbed into the blood vessel. In the same way, glucose and amino acids also gets reabsorbed, and in the same way, hydrogen present in the filtrate enters into the proximal convoluted tubule and makes urine more acidic, and the removal of water and sodium makes it more concentrated. So that's why the water loss is less in the loop of Henle, but the sodium goes through with the electrolytes through the electronic channel and reaches in the electronic charge, and that's how the filtrate enters into the collecting duct and the helpful nutrients and electrolytes gets absorbed. So now I am going to explain you about the renal failure. If the glomeruli is affected in the diseases like diabetes or hypertension, the big particles like WBC, RBC and proteins comes in the urine. And if the tubule is affected in chronic diseases like reabsorption do not happen and the urine forms more and we urine more. And if the pathway gets affected like kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra, they get blocked by the stone, so we urine less and we feel pain. So now I am going to tell you how I made this model. I made this model with the help of my grandpa. I took one foam sheet and took it as a base and made a kidney and urinary bladder support with it. I took one half-cutted bottle and wrapped with the red tape and made it as a heart. I made the ureter with the IV set and I also put the ureter in the kidney, so the urine comes drop by drop as you can see.